Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting Pubg and you want no banners interrupting you. First, open Control Center and turn on Focus, or Do Not Disturb so calls and banners stay silent. This blocks banners and sounds immediately. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Notifications, and disable Lock Screen, Notification Center, and banners for non-essential apps. You'll still get summaries if needed. Also set auto lock to a longer interval so your screen won't dim mid-match. These first steps stop the most common interruptions. Once done with basic silencing, fine-tune system alerts so nothing slips through. Open Settings, right arrow Notifications, and set banner style to none and turn off show previews to when unlocked so banners won't pop. If you can, enable airplane mode to eliminate phone calls and cellular alerts. You'll still play locally or on Wi-Fi if allowed. Then create a focus for gaming and add allowed apps. This blocks home screen and Safari suggestions. These steps close gaps and prevent surprise overlays while you play. Now finalize and verify. Launch Pubg and have someone send a message or call to confirm no banner appears. If notifications still show, restart the iPhone and reapply your focus profile. Sometimes settings changes need a reboot to take full effect. If persistent system alerts or screenshots trigger, enable guided access to lock the device to Pubg and block touch gestures. Troubleshooting tip: if banners continue, check for profile or MDM controls in settings that may override your focus, and contact the device administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.